Today we're going to fix an Asus Zenbook Z13 that another repair shop declared as no fix. That is a CPU problem, and you better go and buy another one. This is Yanis from Unrepair, and let's go and see this no fix situation. This is the unfixable Zenbook. The tape contains the already changed the chip that killed the CPU. That's at the other lab. And now we are going to do together our new diagnosis. I have already soldered the DC jack, our custom DC jack for voltage injection. Let's do some inspection. You can see the CPU fan that is a little damaged. That's not the problem, of course, but as we can see right here, there are bridged capacitors. Of course, they are not bridged like 19 volt short to ground, but this is where the previous guy worked, and it is not nice to see this kind of things. He have worked. He has a lot of work around the DC jack, and the capacitors are worked also here. And I can see that there is a short. So I will inject some voltage. Our thermal camera is frozen. Okay, we can see that now we can see the voltage. I don't know why my camera is freezing, but you can see right here we have a lot of heat, but is in the other side of the motherboard because high. The temperature is not very high. We can see the board here, and now we are going to see this IC. It is worked. I think it is the chip that is already replaced from the previous guy, and I think here in the end of the board we are having the short to ground. Let me check. Yes, it is there. Let's go and see with the microscope and some isopropylic alcohol. We don't need, of course, the thermal camera to detect such a short. I don't know why the other guy worked in so many places removing capacitors and all the things like that, because it is obvious with this high temperature you can detect this short with your finger, and I think you will scream too if you touch it. And you can see this capacitor. This capacitor is the fault, so it must be removed. Okay, let's check again. Yes, of course, it is definitely this capacitor. So let's go and remove this. And I poked the microscope camera, and you cannot see the removal of the capacitor because it is below. But I will check it right now and fix it. Now that's it. I have removed this capacitor with my hot tweezer. Okay. It is off the board. Only the one pin is on the board, so the short should be off. Let's go and fix this capacitor in order to check its state. We will check this by our ohm meter, and as you can see, it's definitely short to ground. It's not a capacitor, it's just a wire. We don't need this capacitor or this wire on that pads. So the short is gone. Let's go and check with the diode mode. You can see the short is gone, the rail is free. Now let's check the health of this board. Let's power on the board and check if everything is okay. If this no fixable board is done, it's okay for work. Let's switch to the overhead camera and we will plug the charger. But first, let's plug our custom DC jack, because we don't have such a thin tip for our power supply unit. Okay, it is powering and draws only 160 milliamps. Wow. I think there is a problem, another problem. Yes, the voltage rail is complete, but we have already seen that the memory is 1.2. It's producing the S3 state, but 1.08, 5 volts, 1.8, 3.3, but no V-core. Okay, the CPU, it's not hot, so something is preventing the CPU from powering on. Let's go and see that spot. Which is okay, it's not a short CPU. 5 ohms are very good. So the CPU is not short, of course. Let's go and see what is the other problem. Let me switch to the microscope and check. Maybe yes, this one, the V-core regulator. Oh yes. It is very poorly soldered. You can see. You can see the soldering is not very good. So let's go and bring more light in order to work better and in order for you to see better. You can see the soldering is not very good. Now, with the brighter image, you can see better. We're applying some flux and we will resolder this component, this V-core regulator, V-core controller. Sorry if I'm wrong. We are heating up the IC in order to move around from its own tension between the pads and the pins, its own pins. We will clean a bit with a Q-tip, and we will check if something is changed, or we must work harder or further to make things right. Okay, let's put on the heatsink. Let's go in multiple speed, and after that we will plug the charger, which is frozen. Wow, yes, it is. The consumption is very good. So let's go and plug the display and see if we're having a display or not. Hopefully we will have a display, because the 460 amps, 460 milliamps is a very good consumption for this kind of machine without graphics. We're plugging, we're having a good consumption, and if the display comes, the device will be ready, will be fixed. This unfixable device, this unfixable notebook will be good to go. No, it's having, yes, we're good. We're good. The problem has been resolved. It is a very nice thing to make things work again. We love this job. If you like repairs too, browse our channel's content, choose the video you want to watch, and we will talk again soon. Bye.